I could feel the space, it grows in size. I miss your soul, I miss your mind. So long ago, we were just fine. Then we lost ourselves, we lost our time. And I've seen better days. Don't know why I feel this way. Hold me close and take away all the pain. Let's go. 'Cause I hate all this space. Okay. I remember when you'd say we would never break. We would tangle in my bed, you'd take away the space. And the closer you would get, I feel the pain erase. I thought that you always said we would be okay. Things are different, I don't understand when they change. It's kinda funny how the time works in that way. It makes you forget what you used to love day to day. Now all of a sudden you feel like you need a little space. And I've seen better days. Don't know why I feel this way. Hold me close and take away all the pain. 'Cause I hate all this space. Tell me, are we lost? Has our time expired? I feel like we've lost all of our fire. And I've seen better days. Don't know why I feel this way. Hold me close and take away all the pain. 'Cause I hate all this space. Everybody knows that I'm not perfect, and everybody knows that I'm not worth it. I don't know why you hate me, I don't know why you hate me. Yeah, 'cause I'm not worth it. It's cold outside with the gray skies. See your dark eyes and my dark lies. Eat myself in the pain that I caused her again. No, I can't hide, although I try. I don't know why, like the night sky. It's so dark, keep space between the stars on my head. And everybody knows that I'm not perfect. And everybody knows that I'm not worth it. I don't know why you hate me, I don't know why you hate me. Yeah, 'cause I'm not worth it. No, I'm not worth it. Oh, I'm not worth it. I don't know why you hate me, I don't know why you hate me. Yeah, 'cause I'm not worth it. Like a hole from a splinter. We fold now like a photo of the time that we spent. We cross paths but our minds never center. I feel bad but I tell her never better. Don't know why but I feel like time came and then went.